What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Happy holidays to you. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me. Look in the right-hand corner. You will see a little red square that says subscribe on the video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back with what we're calling it's What's Up Wednesday, right? What is up Wednesday? So it's the middle of the week. It's hump day. We're almost at, we're a couple days away from Christmas. What, 4 days away from Christmas? Okay. So everybody is super excited. They're shopping, they're doing all these different things. But guys, don't forget, okay, to get positioned and get ready for 2023. So if you've been looking for some online making money opportunities, I got those for you. Go to that website on the screen, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, I've got global opportunities that you can check out. All right, and all you need is a smartphone or smart device and a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so go check these out. That will show you all the opportunities that I am involved in at the moment. Okay, that may change it. You know, I change it or update it, so you want to always go there to see what I am doing. Okay, but today is What's Up Wednesday. So what I want to do today on this particular video is just show you a new announcement, okay, for one of the opportunities that I'm a part of. All right, so let's go take a look at that. Check it out. All right, we all have received, if you're a paid member, I would imagine, with IPS Infinity Processing System, they have launched a new level, a $600 level. With Infinity Processing System, not if you're here for the first time, you have no idea what I'm talking about, that link is in the description. You can go to what I gave you previously. Okay, but if you want to go directly to this opportunity, go to www.earnwithpandora.com. Okay, go there. Now, I'm sorry, the copypastemethod.com. The copypastemethod.com for this particular opportunity. Okay, but with this opportunity, guys, right now and presently, well, before the new edition, you can earn $50, $150, $300 right now. Okay, then they've added, as of today, the $600 level. Okay, now, so we're going to talk about a few things with that, and a few people have asked me some questions, so I'm going to elaborate on those. But this is the email I received stating there's a new launch. Okay, and I go through how you get access to the new company's website. So they're saying here you're going to get these bonuses, some additional bonuses that you'll have access to when you upgrade. Okay, so that's the announcement, and there was a live in reference to it in the Facebook group. So if you're already a member, you know what I'm talking about. If not, go and check you can check the link in your email, okay, and go straight there and look at the recorded live where the owner talked about the launching of it and so forth. Okay, so let's go. I want to answer some a question or two that someone asked. So let's take a look at this. Well, look at my notes. Hang on a sec. Okay, now these questions were answered in the live, but again, if you're not a paid member, you have no idea. Or if you hadn't been following, because some people have fallen off and they haven't even looked at this in months, okay, because they couldn't even tell you who their sponsor is. So, question was, okay, well, is the old website up? Because they have a new website. That's the other thing. You got a new website and a new level, okay? But it's not mandatory that you get the new website. But let's go look at the old one. Okay, let's go take a look at, there's nothing wrong with the old one. Let's be clear. All right, nothing's wrong. You don't even have to make a move. You can stay exactly where you are without doing anything. So let's look at the old website. Okay, this website is still up. It's intact. Nothing's wrong here. You don't have to change. Okay. You can see this blue is a little bit different here. Now it's $39 for everybody brand new that's going to get started. If somebody goes to your website right now, okay, on this website, you see it says $39. It used to be $25. Okay, that's the only thing that's changed there, and they are going to be adding some additions to what's already here, some additional updated training to what you already have. Okay. All right. Now, so that's one thing. Now you have folks that say, well, hey, what if I don't want to do anything? I like everything the way it is. I don't want nothing new. Leave me alone. Fine. You keep this site. But what about, hey, I don't want to upgrade. I want the new site, but I don't want to upgrade. Okay. Well, then you're going to pay this $39. Okay. You don't have to change anything. You're just going to get the new website. Because see, if you go, you log in, see what it says? Okay, log into your back office. So just pay for the new website. Everything else remains the same. Right? But what if you say, well, okay, you know what? I do want to upgrade. Okay, from one level to the next. Right now, as of today, 7 days from today, you have a 7-day grace period. You will only pay the difference to go from one level to the next, and then pay a $59 one time. All this is one time payment of $59, and the difference to go to one level to the next. So in other words, you say, hey, I'm a pro level. I do want to take advantage of that $600 level. You would pay $300 to your sponsor. That's the difference, right? And $59 to the company for the new website. Okay? That's how that would work. Pay the difference and $59 if you want to upgrade only. Okay? It's not required. Nothing's mandatory. That's just the new change. Okay? If you want it. Now, I haven't got my new site yet because I actually have a new site that was already created. Okay? But this is what it looks like. The new one. Okay? Check it out. Okay, you have this here. Alrighty. And you come down and your picture will be at the top, okay, in the middle there. And this is the rest of it right here. How does it work? You got these 3 new little pictures here, right? You come down, there's some more information. There's another new picture. Are you ready to get started? Then in this new website that they have testimonies, okay, here. Okay, so video testimonies. You come down. They've kind of changed it a little bit with the green and the black. Okay. All right. So as you can see how this looks. All right. So I'm just kind of thumbing through it. This is the new one that you'd spend the $39 for, or the $59 if you go to upgrade. All right. So this is what it would look like. And it's going to list all the different levels here. Same thing. Okay. Right here. But if you're going to go with the 600, that would be right here. Okay, and they've added some additional trainings with it, with the $600 level. Okay, premium, they're calling it the super affiliate. All right, guys, so that's how that works. All right, so hopefully if you didn't get it, red ball is back, but it's not difficult. If you don't want to change anything, you will keep your old website. There's nothing wrong with it. It still works well. Okay. The only thing on here that's different right now is instead of the $25 being for the website, it's $39. So when folks go to your website to sign up, it's going to say $39 instead of $25. Okay. And then they are going to be updating some additional training here, but nothing's changed. This site works perfectly fine. If you want the new one, as I stated earlier, you would pay $39. If you want to upgrade, you're going to pay $59 and pay the difference. You only got 7 days to go from one level to the next, far as upgrading, to pay the difference. Okay? 7 days from today. December 21st, 7 days from today, you can pay the difference. After the 7 days, let's say you say, well, you know what? Now I think I want that pro level. It'll be the whole $600 plus the $59. Okay? Hope that's clear. Either way you go, this program is still a great program. The $300 level has served me very well and many other people. Okay, it's a great program. I still think that. Okay, now a question that was asked. Okay, can we, and I've just answered it already, but a question was, are we going to be grandfathered in? That's what I asked as well, because you guys asked the question, and it's no, you're going to pay the difference if you want to go up. If you're pro and you want to go up to that $600 level, you're not, nobody's grandfathered in. You would pay the difference plus the $59. All right, guys. So I hope you're clear on that. All right, guys. So this is a site that was created, and this is the one that I'm using. But I like that they have updated the other one because it's been around, what, over a year now. So I think it's great to, you know, have change, you know, keep things fresh and new. So this is definitely a great system. If you're a newbie to online marketing, I think it's perfect. They give you all the ad copies you need. You get the training on how to market on social media. I stand behind that, definitely. You get a 7-day action plan, which is what people need, especially if you're new, because you don't know what to do. You're like, well, what should I be doing? I have no idea. All that is here. An active Facebook group as well. All right, that you can go in and you can see other like-minded people like yourself, and you can see folks making money with this opportunity. So it's already proven itself. I've shown proof of payments coming in with this opportunity, and you get paid any way you like. That's the other thing. This is instant pay. Any way you want to get paid. All you have to do is when you get your website, you're going to send that information to the administrator. Okay, here's the link that I want to use for my Cash App. Here's the link I want to use to accept debit cards. You know, that type of thing. So just send them that. Just follow the instructions. Log in, follow the instructions. When you sign up with me, I'm going to send you a welcome email, and you're going to have the link that you need to go to request this stuff. Okay? So it's very simple. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. All right, guys? So with that being said, what's up Wednesday? We've concluded with What's Up Wednesday. All right, if you have any questions, just reach out to me. All right, guys, for everybody that signs up at that pro level, you're going to get traffic from me, okay, to get this thing going, because I know this is a great opportunity. You'll be great at it if you stick to it, be consistent, follow the steps. All right, I'm here for your guidance. I'm here. I'm accessible. Just reach out to me. All right. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Happy holidays.